Hi, Cindy with CandyMachines.com again. I'm here to show you the mechanism for the carousel bank. If you got a little bit ahead of yourself and took it all the way apart, it's okay. As long as you have all the parts, I'm going to show you how to get it back together correctly. So you should have all of these pieces: the plate, the coin mechanism, the other plate that goes on the back of the coin mechanism, a little gold stopper, 4 short screws, 1 long screw, a washer, the wheel, and the handle. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this little gold stopper and the spring. On the side you will see a little hole. The spring should fit right into it. Now this is the most difficult part of putting this back together. When you get it back in, it should spring easily, and there should be a little bit of space. Then we're going to get our coin mechanism, put it in there the way that it fits, flat side up. Get your plate guard. Make sure that it's all aligned. Then you get your 4 small screws. Try this one first. And you're going to want to get your handle, put it in flat side up. It should just slide right in. Your wheel, it's a square hole to a square handle. Slide it on there, make sure it's on there secure. And you're going to get your washer, and then your long screw. And now you have a mechanism back together.